Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here we study Turkmen language. My name is Davut and let's get started. Today we will study how to ask what's your name. We studied the basic grammar in the previous classes. In total this is the 16th video. In the other 15 videos basically we paid attention to the grammar because as I said, in Turkmen language, because it's an agglutinative language, it is almost impossible to learn the language without grammar. At least you need to know the basic grammar, because we have hundreds and thousands of suffixes, and the suffixes change it from person to person, from object to object, and when you don't have at least the basic knowledge about the suffixes, you will just get lost among all of these grammar points. So at least you need to know the basics, and then later you can pay attention more to the communication skills, like spoken language and so on. So today, students, we will start studying the small dialogues and like small and simple sentences. So Salam, Siziň, adyňyz, näme. And please, if you came to this channel for the first time, I strongly recommend you to watch all the videos from the first to the last, because I increased the level of each video gradually. So that means if you just start from the, let's say, video number 10, lesson number 10 or 12, you will not understand, because in the previous videos we explained all of the grammar points. So let's start it. Salam, Siziň, adyňyz, näme. Salam, hello. Siziň, possessives. Your, possessive pronoun. Adyňyz. Ad is a name. Adyňyz belongs. That means adyňyz means this ad belongs to the Siziň. At, it must be t, but when we added vowel beginnings suffix, we change t to the d. So Siziň, adyňyz, näme. Näme is a what? Your name what? What is your name? Salam, Siziň, adyňyz, näme. Here, students, we will study also how to say good morning, good night, welcome, what's your name, good evening, thank you, and goodbye. So you can say how to greet and how to say farewell. Ertiriňiz hayırlı. Ertiriňiz hayırlı. Ertiriňiz hayırlı. Try to read after me. Try to pronounce as I pronounce. Ertiriňiz hayırlı. We can say ertiriňiz hayırlı bolsun, or we can say ertiriňiz hayırlı. Good morning. Actually, this phrase is also translated. Let's say not translated. Some word borrowed from Arabic language, and instead of borrowing another part, we just translated. Just simply saying Sabah al-Hayr in Arabic language. Sabah al-Hayr. So hayr is the same hayr here, but we added the suffix li, the adjective making suffix. Ertir is a sabah, morning. So morning hayırlı. Let's say bolsun, that means I wish. I wish you hayırlı. Let's say I wish you prolific or beneficial morning, if we translate like this, directly translating. So good morning. Ertiriňiz hayırlı bolsun. Giyeceğiniz rahat bolsun. Good night. Giyeceğiniz rahat bolsun. Good night. Giyeceğiniz rahat bolsun. You can skip bolsun, or you can say Geceniz rahat, o geceniz rahat bolsun. Good night. So, hoş geldiniz. Hoş geldiniz. Welcome. Hoş geldiniz. Welcome. Salam. Hello. Sizin adınız näme? What is your name? Giç yaxşı. Good evening. Giç yaxşı. Good evening. Tanrı yalqasın. Thank you. Tanrı yalqasın. Thank you. And sağ bolun. Goodbye. Let me read one more time. Ertiriniz hayırlı. Ertiriniz hayırlı bolsun. Geceniz rahat bolsun. A is long. Rahat. The second A is short. Geceniz rahat bolsun. Hoş geldiniz. Hoş geldiniz. Salam. Sizin adınız näme? Giç yaxşı. Not giç yaxşı. No. Giç yaxşı. Giç yaxşı. Tanrı yalqasın. Thank you. And the last one. Sağ olun. Goodbye. Sağ olun can be goodbye and sağ olun can be also thank you. Tanrı yalqasın only thank you. Tanrı yalqasın. Like Tanrı yalqasın is also like God bless you. Let's say that when we are so happy that someone helped us, we say like God bless you. Tanrı, because Tanrı is the name of the God. Tengri. Tengri. It was the beliefs. Let's say it was the religion before the Islam, the Muslim religion came to the Central Asia. The people, they believe it in the Tengri or Tanrı. Yalqasın, yalqamak means bless. So Tanrı yalqasın, I wish that Tanrı bless you. Now, of course, the meaning of this word changes. Tanrı, yeah, we know that it's a name of the God, but still Turkmen people nowadays, they let's say maybe I can't say 100% because there are always exceptions. So maybe 99% of the Turkmen people who lives in Turkmenistan, they consider themselves as a Muslims. So that's why sometimes the word Tanrı also changes to the Allah. Allah is Allah. Allah yalqasın. Some people also say like that. Maybe they don't want to use this word, Tanrı. Okay, let's get into the next slide. So students, this is the possessives. This is the possessives, and if you remember, we studied these possessives before, but now I just want to remind you one more time. So, men menin, sen senin, ol onun, biz bizim, siz sizin, olur olurun. Just to remind you. So, menin is my, men is I, sen you, your, ol, he, she, it, onun, his, her, its, biz, we, bizim, our, siz, you, plural or formal way, sizin, your, olur, they, olurun, their. So, when we use menin, senin, onun, bizim, sizin, olurun, students, that means something belongs to us. We need to say that something belongs to us. So after the object which belongs to someone, we need to add one of these suffixes according to the person. This is first person singular, second person singular, third person singular, then first person, second person, third person plural. So menin adım. Adım. We chose At is a long A, and actually the name is At. But as I explained to you, KPTC transformed to the GBDC, those grammar point, when we have long vowel and it's a one syllable, and when we add the vowel beginning suffix, KPTC transform to the GBDC. So menin adım, senin adın, onun adı, bizim adımız, sizin adınız, and Olorun adi. Let's get into the next slide. So gepleşik. Gepleşik is a dialogue. It's a simple dialogue. Let's read. This is the dialogue between Murat and Ceren. Salam, salam. Qowmi yağdaylarың. Qowmi yağdaylarың means how are you? Qowmi yağdaylarың. Qowmi yağdaylarың, how are you? Yağdaylar, yağdaylar, and ың means senin yağdaylarың. Qowmi yağdaylarың. Qowmi yağdaylarың. Qowi sen nahili. Sen nahili. Men hem qowi. Senin adın näme? Menin adım Ceren. Let's translate. Salam, salam. Hi, hi. Qowmi yağdaylarың. How are you? Qowi, good. Sen nahili. Sen nahili. And you? Men hem qowi. I'm also okay. I'm also good. Senin adın näme? What's your name? Menin adım Ceren. My name is Ceren. Now, qowmi yağdaylarың, let's translate this. Qowi means good. Mi is a question suffix. Yağday means condition or situation. Let's say, yeah, the state of being, not condition, state of being, and maybe the state or situation, yağday. So, qowmi yağdaylarың, like, qowi good, mi question suffix, yağdaylarың, like, is your situation good? That means how are you? Qowi means good. Sen nahili, and you. Sen you, nahili, how, like how about you? Men hem qowi, men I, him also, qowi, good. What's your name? My name is Ceren. Okay, the next slide. This is the exercise for you students. Gönükme aşağıdaki sözleri ulanıp diyalogu yerine getirin. Use these words and complete the dialogue. Bayram and Melih, the two boys, Bayram and Melih, and please complete the dialogue. Git yaxshi, good evening, qowi sen nahili bo'lya sağ. You know all of these words, so waiting for your answers. Bye bye.